BeaTBoxKiiNG tutorials. Alright, today I'm going to teach you to do some robot noises. I'm with my assistant, Charlie. Can you say hello?
Hello.
Alright, so there's 3 different kind of robot noises. I can't do that one, I'm just waiting. Alright, so to do the you put the tongue at the top of your mouth, so like that. And then you got to do like a Daffy Duck noise, like. You have to do it in the back of your throat, so you got to breathe like you've got a hum, so. Alright, number 2, vibrate your lips. You got to make sure the sides of your mouth are like tight, so. And yeah, from the back of your throat. And finally the last one. Just make your lips a bit looser from the middle and go from the voice as well. And you say like deal. Alright, so keep practicing them. It's not really hard. It takes you like not even an hour to learn that. Alright, subscribe, rate, comment, and if you think this video is helpful, please post it in the comment down there. Alright.